What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mobile Detail in Edmonton. My name is Lance. It's your first time joining us? Welcome. Today, I want to talk to you about something that's been pissing me off ever since I had my truck lifted. I love my lifted truck. I think it's so cool. The problem is, right here, the trim on my garage door, that stupid antenna keeps hitting it. So I went online, I found a company that not only found a solution for the problem, but also supports veterans. So here, check it out. So here you go. Company called Ronin Factory. They had this thing called the bullet antenna. I love it. Looks like a 50 caliber bullet. It's pretty sweet. And like I said, veteran supporter, made in America, satisfaction guaranteed. But not only does it look cool, it actually serves as an actual proper antenna. You don't have to have that giant, huge floppy antenna. Let me show you guys how to put it on. I'm going to show you guys what the benefits are, and we'll go from there. Okay, so let's get this thing opened up. Let's check it out. First off, cool cap, cool insignia. Pop it off. And what do we got? Looks like it is super tightly packed in. Yeah, the instructions are right here. First step, it says unscrew the OEM antenna. Second step is clean off any residual thread compound. If antenna came with two fittings, thread correct, screw into antenna first. Thread antenna end by hand. And lastly, locking compound will cure in 24 hours. So apparently this thing is supposed to be theft proof, so nobody can get in there and get their greedy little paws on it and steal it from you. Okay, so let's open it up. Let's see if we can get this thing. Jesus Christ. Seriously. There's a lot of stuff in here. Okay. Come on. Okay, that's it. So, there we go. Let's put the lid back on. Boom. Okay, so here we go. We got a whole whack of informational cards. This one says to, oh yeah, snap. Put it on Instagram. Here's, if you're happy with our purchase, feel free to share. Consider leaving us a review on Amazon, which I will definitely do after we install it, figure it out. This is a code for 10% off. Says that this is the best aftermarket accessory for your truck and firearm enthusiast. Basically one of their business cards. You get a cool sticker with it. It's like you get another cool sticker with it. But I want to get into this, so let's check it out. Kind of excited about this part. Okay. That is awesome. It's a 50 cal looking bullet. It definitely looks the part. That's cool. Locking compound, like they said, and I went with the black version. I've seen some knockoffs that are different colors, but I wanted this one. I'm not an all black guy, but I definitely think it's pretty cool. So let's pull the truck in, let's install it on the truck, and hopefully get rid of that stupid antenna hitting my ceiling in my garage door. Okay, here we go. So, Toyota Tundra, 8 mil, wicked awesome 50 cal bullet. I still can't believe that you guys made this over Ronin. This is pretty cool. Anyway, to take it off, super easy. I literally unscrew it. You've in 2 seconds have taken off your antenna. And now, oh yeah, check that out. The top of the antenna. I don't know if it'll focus. Probably not. Anyway, it's wore right out. This thing, I thought at first it should come with a tool or something. I'm the tool. Been told that a lot, but anyway. So the reason I went with black one is because this is black, and I thought it would look awkward if it was black with chrome. Plus I wanted to get the one from the actual company. I didn't want to get any of the craziness. So here we go. And they said all you have to do is screw it in, and within 24 hours it will harden. Okay, well, there it is. Let's check it out. That is our new antenna. It's just crazy. The 50 cal bullet sitting on my truck. I love it. All right, guys, well, that's it. Just wanted to show you guys the new antenna. Put it on. Company again, Ronin Factory. They're here for all of your, apparently, your truck and firearm needs. They make a bunch of pistol holders. They make a couple different things for your truck. And the biggest thing that I like is they support veterans. Some of the money goes towards the Veteran Society, and made in America. The antenna itself, if you actually go online onto Amazon, you'll find out that most of it is actually made billet aluminum, I think. I'll have to double check that. But anyway, super high quality build. Around 35, 40 bucks Canadian. I don't know what it would be in American funds, but super cheap option. I get to get rid of, see, I don't even want to hold the goddamn thing. Why would my truck? But anyway, I get to get rid of my antenna from my truck, which makes me way happy. And yeah. So anyway, guys, I hope you like what you see today. I know it's a super short video, but this is something I've been geeking out about, something that I've been wanting to see on my truck for a while. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you like what you see here today, please hit the subscribe button. And don't forget, keep following us for more stuff that we're going to do with this truck. We got a whole lot of things coming.